Elecrow is ISO 13485, 2016 certified. Come and enjoy incredible discounts and offers on PCB, acrylic cutting, 3D printing, and PCBA services. We have advanced PCB design and manufacturing technology, offering a variety of thicknesses and colors for your selection, making it easy to fulfill your project needs. Now, get 5 PCS of PCB for as low as $1 and enjoy a 10% discount on other orders. We specialize in acrylic cutting and provide precise and aesthetically pleasing services. Whether it's display cabinets, signage, exhibits, or home decor, we can meet your personalized needs. Now, get 5 acrylic sheets for only $1 and enjoy a 10% discount on other quantity orders. Through our 3D printing technology, you can transform your ideas into tangible objects. Whether it's prototyping, custom parts, or large-scale production, we can offer you top-notch solutions. Now, for just $1, you can get exquisite 3D printed products. Elecrow offers a one-stop PCBA service, catering to industries such as industrial, IoT, smart home, consumer electronics, and open-source hardware. Currently, orders below 20 pieces receive free assembly, orders over 20 pieces enjoy a 40% off, and orders exceeding 200 pieces receive a 50% off. Additionally, for PCBA orders exceeding $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000, customers can choose a gift valued at up to $50, $100, or $300 respectively from our online store. Take part in Elecrow's medical device manufacturing event right away to get an instant quote and enjoy the maximum manufacturing discounts.